Okay guys, it's 1 a.m. right now, and I just bought a ticket to go home for Thanksgiving, and my flight is in a couple hours now. So I think I'll be headed over in like 4 hours. So, and in the meantime, I will enjoy this bowl of pasta. Alright guys, I managed to get like 2 hours of sleep. Slept longer than I thought. Didn't realize I also didn't account for the walk time off of the station. So now I'm rushing over to the thing. So yeah, to be continued. So I missed it. I saw it was coming down the street, and missed the train by a minute. It should only delay me like 10 minutes, but I don't know if I have that time. There's Wrigley Field, right? There you go. There's a light. That's Wrigley Field. So yeah, it's pretty nice out there. It's a really nice morning. But now I'm a little freak. I still get there early, but who knows with the Thanksgiving stuff, what the hell security's gonna be. Hopefully it's early enough, but I don't know. I think it's because it's the day of. We'll be okay, but still, don't like pushing it this close. All right, goodbye.
Is next.
Alright, so I'm at the Roosevelt station. The train I missed by a minute has delayed me about 25, which puts me getting to the airport with maybe 15 minutes to spare, get an hour, which meaning because you need the security shuts down if you don't get in 45 minutes before your flight. So depending on security, which will probably be about 25 minutes, I'm guessing. It's going to be close. So, wish me luck.
Doors closing.
You're killing it with security. Got me through in about 10 minutes. Hell yeah.
All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation.
Okay, so I'm halfway there. A little more energy now. I am currently in Detroit. I have a layover here. I guess I'm coming home.
Board. Captain Michael McCauley is in command. He's assisted by First Officer Dan Nathan and the other.
All right, so I made it in Rochester. Yeah, there's some about Rochester people. Like this, it's just even on the flight and the plane. Like you can feel like what kind of person that is. Like it's just there's this interesting like I don't know, it's just a good vibe. It's a good vibe that. Huh? I know. Jeez, how's it going? We got a park. You gonna let me in?
No.
You gonna let me in?
No. Are you a Hollywood star?
Huh? Yeah, I'm a Hollywood star. No, you're the one on camera. Yeah.
I gave it The Office.
Huh?
I gave it The Office.
Yeah. How's it going? How's it going, Papa?
I'm so happy.
I've scared the neighbors enough. It's a freaking good day. It's a good day. Man, I feel like this weather. The weather is fantastic. Why? I still have this like camera personality that I do when I talk, when I see that I'm on camera. There's a I don't know what it is. But anyways, so the plan right now is I'm outside back. My dad just picked me up, and I'm gonna sneak in through the back in a couple minutes and surprise everybody. Nobody knows I'm coming other than Dad Johnny and Uncle Guy. So yeah. Let's just run up. I just gotta run up. Check out the patio. Look at this beautiful patio. How's it going? Hey, how's it going?
How are you?
Hey.
I thought they were kidding.
No, I got a plane ticket at 1 this morning.
Oh my God!
Hey, how's it going? Here, hold this. Oh, Johnny.
John!
Hi.
Oh my God!
Hi, I'm real. I'm real.
We were just looking at you.
What were we looking at?
Empire.
Oh, Empire, yeah?
Oh,
Hey, Joey. Huh?
so bad.
Uncle, you're not crying.
We're crying for my Joey.
Hey, Grandpa.
I'm shocked. Oh my God. Is that why you were taking so long?
Good to see you.
No, it just kind of worked out that way.
No, you went and picked them up?
Huh?
You went and picked them up?
I was actually, we had decided to take a cab, but then that kind of shifted everything. Is that good? I'm gonna record you. I got a plane ticket at 1 this morning.
Oh my God!
Hey, how's it going?
Oh my God!
The 3 F's. We got friends, family, and food.
And Frank.
I'm thankful that Johnny made it in today.
And Joey especially, I'm glad he's here too.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm so happy Thanksgiving.
Grandpa's got a
I'm happy Joey arrived.
Bless this food. Yeah, I am so happy for the 4 boys are here. We expect Joey,
No, we did
but Joey is here.
it.
Yeah, salute.
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 Happy Thanksgiving.
You guys don't give me a glass here. Actually,
Oh, that's in there.
hold up. This is my glass. This is my glass here. Salute.
You got it, Gordon.
Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving! Hurrah! Hurrah! Hallelujah!
Everybody look up.
Look up, not at the camera. Everyone look up.
Look up.
I'm completely lost, but it's so much fun. This map is so hard. Yeah?
Where is everybody?
Yeah, the other one, like, you find someone in a room and you just destroy him.
Shooting, and hopefully you're gonna kill someone. What today?
Bait and switch! He baited you!
Dad got 8 kills.
Look at that. They killed everybody.
Wait, he's upside down.
He's beating me.
Alright, this is my first attempt at a vlog here. Let me know what you think, especially you, Johnny.
Okay.
I want your review.
I'm creeping up on your 33-year-old father.
Oh no! I was at 35. I'm now at 37.
I'm about like,
I've grown.
I'm about like 20.
All right, so we have a race going on. Follow him as long as there's more on mine.
Ozzy 5.
Johnsy 5. Plug. What's your other channel? What do you got? What we got to plug? Streamy.class.
Classified Entertainment.
There you go. It's a streamer. All right, it's been fun. See you guys.
Hello.